To set a stop loss on Robinhood Options Mobile, you first need to understand what a stop loss is. A stop loss is an order that automatically sells a security when it falls to a certain price, limiting potential losses. Open the Robinhood mobile app and navigate to the Options Trading section. Select the specific option you want to set a stop loss for and tap on it to view its details. Tap the Trade button and select the Sell option. Choose the order type as market order or limit order, depending on your preference. A market order will execute the sale at the current market price, while a limit order will execute the sale at a specified price. To set the stop loss, toggle the stop loss switch. Enter the stop price, which is the price at which you want the stop loss order to be triggered. You can also set the limit price, which is the price at which the sale will be executed after the stop loss is triggered. For example, if you bought a call option for $100 and you want to limit your losses to 20%, you would set the stop price at $80. If the option price falls to $80, the stop loss order will be triggered, and the option will be sold at the current market price or the specified limit price. It is essential to note that stop loss orders do not guarantee a sale at the specified price, as market conditions can be unpredictable. However, they can help limit potential losses by automatically selling a security when it falls to a certain price. Best practices for setting stop losses include regularly reviewing and adjusting your stop loss orders, setting stop losses based on your risk tolerance, and combining stop losses with other risk management strategies. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively use stop losses to manage your risk and protect your investments on the Robinhood Options mobile platform.